A quick video tutorial just to take you through the BMC portal. Now this is the area where you can access your license files and your product download, your application. So if you're upgrading to a later version, it's all contained in here. So you can see I'm logged in at bmc.opta.com. There are other URLs that will take you to the same place anyway, but you'll see when I log in I will have access to a number of areas. And the place I'm looking for, if I go to license.bmc.com, first and foremost, you will see this is the area which will contain your license files which you've got access to. So if I look at the options where we've got things like client management, footprints and track it, and you can see that I've got a couple of versions here. So anything here with 11.0 or 10.0, this is the older version of track it, and you can click on this little icon and that will entitle you to download the license file, which will be a trackit.lic file. But the new version, 20XX as we're calling it, so it could be 2018, 2019, 2020, or the latest 2021 as we speak. This license file is a LICX file, and we click here to download that. The other thing you would need is your client management license as well. So this is an XML file which you download to use for the inventory side or the remote side, or if you're buying any of the add-ons, deploy, remote, patch or compliance, you would need that, and you need to apply that separately. But in terms of track it, this is the license file, and then to access where the software is, the product, you can click on the link which you should have in the portal, in your personal portal, go through the compliance and access terms and accept those. And this will take you through to the EPD, or the electronic product distribution. Of course, I could have went through the EPD this way, but this is just just another way to access it. And then if I go through there, I could do a search, or if I click on show favorites, I haven't got no favorites in this one, so let me just type in track it. And you will see here, I click on track it, and that takes me to a screen where I can download the various versions. So you can see 4.2, here's the latest ones for the new version. And then we get the access to the products where we can click on the application. So you'll see there 2021 release one, which is the latest version. I can click and download that. If you are upgrading from 11.4, then I could just download the migration tool from here as well. Just rest assured that the migration tool updates with the version as you move along. So if you are migrating data and you're not on 2021, for example, let's say you're on 2020-03, then you could always still go into there and download the migration tool there. So there's your access to track it. I hope this has been useful for you. It was just a quick demonstration just to show you where to go in terms of your downloading license and products. See you on the next video.